Hello student. Okay, so last we have done with the exercise 12.3 and 12.4, right? And today we are going to do the exercise. We are starting the exercise 12.5. Okay, before that we have to do the some kind of conversion types of questions. Okay, so conversion हमने पहले ही कर लिया, but that conversion is between minutes and seconds, and then after more over hours to minute or hours to means minutes to seconds. So यही conversion हमने देखा था. We haven't seen the conversion between the years, right? Years, month, days, week, and hours, obviously. Right? Okay, so let's do that conversion also. Okay, I'm writing that thing in the line, one single line, means from the starting. So we can write like that: 1 year is equals to 12 months. 12 months, right? We can write 1 month is equals to 30 days. Okay, there is a maybe question arise that कि 30 days ये क्यों 31 days भी हो सकते हैं, but generally for the not making this kind of confusion, so generally we will take that as a 30 days. Then right? Okay, next we can convert into the weeks also the same way. 1 week is equals to 7 days. That means 7 days is equals to 1 week, right? One more calculation is there between, one more relation is there between the week and month also. That is 4 week is equals to 1 month. And 4 week is equals to 1 month. Okay, there is again maybe you have a confusion. Then see why? Because 4 week is equals to 28 days. And 7 4s are 28 days होते हैं. अभी यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा कि 1 month is equal to 30 days. Then how the 28 days is equals to 1 month? But this calculation if we have to do if there is given week and month, अगर हमें इन दोनों के बीच में conversion बोला है, then only we have to consider that 4 week is equals to 1 month, otherwise not. Understood? Okay, so these are the basic type of phenomena that you have to learn in this next exercise. Okay, now let's start the exercise 12.5. There are 3 types of questions are given. First one is about convert the following into months. Next one is convert the following into days. And then after third one is the mixed problems. Then okay, now let's start with the question number 1. Exercise 12.5. Question number 1. Okay, I am doing from the question number C directly because previous one are easy one. So the question number C is given as a 6 years and 10 months. Okay, so the question is in this one we have to convert into the months. So generally we know about that this thing is given already in the month. Then right, ये तो हमें month में दिया ही है, so that means we have to convert that this 6 years only into the month. So we can write this one like that 6 years and 10 months. 6 years we can directly convert it like, that means 2 separate ways are 2 part हम कर सकते हैं. 6 years is equals to 6 multiplied by 12, right? Because 1 month we know 1 year we know about that 1 year is equals to 12 months. So 6 year is equal to 6 multiplied by 12. So 12 6 are 72 month. And this one is the 10 month. So total answer is 72 plus 10 is equals to 82 months. Okay? So that's how we have to find the answer in this one. Okay, let's do the one more in this one. After that, no need to do the more questions, I guess, because all are the same type of questions only, not more than that. Okay, let's do the D1. 7 years and 4 months. Okay, I'm directly doing the from this side only. 7 years and 4 months. 7 years, 4 months. So 7 years, we can write like 7 multiplied by 12. So that is equals to 7. 12 sevens are, it is 84. Right? So 84 month we got as answer, and 4 month we have already. So we just have to add this 4 month into that only. Done? Okay. Let's add them then. 84 plus 4. So it's 88 month. Okay? Understood? Okay. Remaining question you have to do it by yourself. Let's do the second question. Question number second. Convert the following into days. See, this is again the same type of questions. In this one we just have to convert it into the days. Let's start by question number A. Not A1. Let's start by B. 4 months and 23 days. Okay. So 4 months. 4 months, 23 days. Separate it into two ways. One is a 4 month and one is a 23 days. So 4 months we can write like a 4 multiplied by 30. Why? Because 1 month we know that 1 month is equals to 30 days. So now it is a 4 3s are 12 and 0 we put as it is. So it's a 120 days. We have already 23 days over here. So we have just to add them. So it's a 120 plus 23. So that is equals to 143 days. Right? Okay, now let's do the same type of question. Let's do the D1. This is not as same like that one, because in this one we didn't have to give the month. In this one we have to give we have given the weeks. D1, 9 weeks and 4 days. Okay, so let's start by that one only. Nine weeks, 4 days. So 9 weeks is equals to 9 multiplied by 7. Why? Because 1 week is equals to 7 days. So 9 multiplied by 7. Okay, and 4 days as it is. 9 sevens are 63. So 63 days and 4 days. Let's add them. So we have to add them because it is given as an n. Then so 63 plus 4, so it's a 67 days. Right? Okay, so that's how you have to do the second question also. Then okay, now let's do the third question. In this question I have just done the question number question number B and D. Then remain there are again 4 questions are remain that you have to do it by yourself. See why I am not doing all the questions, remaining all the questions, because you also do the practice of this one, and this topic these two topics are easy, yeah? So you can do it by yourself. Third question. Question number 3. This question is not maybe that much easy as the previous two. Convert the following. So we have to convert this question into the following. So when I started from the question number A. So A is given as a 42 days into weeks. So we have to convert it 42 days into weeks. Okay. Okay, now we know the one thing that 7 days is equals to 1 week, right? So 42 days is equals to how much? So that is the one method, right? So that by that you can do that. See, for converting weeks to days, we have to multiply with the 7. Then हम क्या करते थे, multiply करते थे. So right now अभी हमें weeks में convert करना है days को, right? So अभी हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, we have to divide it, right, with the 7. So that means 42 divided by 7. So it is easier, as I said, 7 6 42, right? So we got quotient as a 6. So that means the answer is equals to 6 week. Right? Understood? So that's how you can do this type of question also. Okay, next let's do the question number C. $144 month into years. That is what big question is given. 144 month into years. That means इसको हमें years में convert करना है. Right? Okay, let's do that conversion. Initially आपको एक statement लिख देना है of the conversion of the month to year, so you will not get any kind of difficulty to solve that problem. So we know that 12 month is equals to 1 year. So if you want to convert the month into the year, so we have to divide it by 12. Why? Because initially अभी हमने ऊपर जब किया तो हम year को convert कर रहे थे month में, तो अब हम क्या कर रहे थे, we are multiplying it with the 12. So अभी अगर हमें month को convert करना है वापस our years में, so we have to divide it with the 12. So divide 144 by 12. 12 ones are 12. 4 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1. Sorry, 4 minus 2 2, 1 minus 1 0. This 4 goes here. Now 12 2s are 24. Then so we got 12 as a quotient. So that means answer is 12 years. Right? So that means 144 month is equals to 12 years. Okay. Okay. One more question is there that I like to do, because this is maybe somewhat tricky to you. So Question number E. 12 weeks is equals to how much month? Okay, let's do that question also. See, इससे पहले जब हमने लेक्चर स्टार्ट किया तब मैंने आपको एक इक्वेशन लिखा था, राइट? दैट इज 4 weeks is equals to 1 month, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स अगर हमें वीक्स को कन्वर्ट करना है मंथ में, so we have to divide the weeks by 4. Then so 12 weeks we have, so we have to divide it with the 4. 12 3s are, sorry 4 3s are 12. Do the subtraction, so we got 3 month as answer. See, again I am telling you, actually if you converted 12 weeks into month, then you will not get actual 3 month. It is less than that, because 1 week is equal to 7 days, and as per the month we know that 1 month is equal to 30 days. Then so 4 week is equal to 28 days only. Then so as I said earlier also, if we have the conversion between the weeks and month, then and only then we have to consider the 4 week is equals to 1 month. Understood? Okay. So in this one I have done with the question number A, C and E. Remaining 3 question you have to do it by yourself. Okay. Okay, now let's do the next exercise 12.6. This is the last exercise of this chapter. Okay, so before that let's do the somewhat homework like that. Means before the starting exercise थोड़ा बहुत homework कर लेना चाहिए कि इस टाइप की एक्सरसाइज में क्या आएगा, राइट? ओके, सो in this exercise we got the problems kind of duration of time, means कितना time लगता है. As we know this kind of questions we have already done, we have already faced in the फर्स्ट एक्टिविटीज ओनली. जब मैंने आपको एक्टिविटी एक होमवर्क में दी थी तो आपने उसमें क्या फाइंड करना था कि कोई एक्टिविटी है जब आप करते हो तो कितना टाइम लगता है, राइट? सो दैट टाइम यू हैव ऑलरेडी फाइंड. So this activity is very this exercise is very easy for you, but this is little bit change. Then इसमें थोड़ा change है, because उस एक्टिविटीज में आपको क्या फाइंड करना था कि आपको खाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है, बाथिंग के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है. So that you will got and the minute answer. Then कि approx 15 minutes for the lunch or 20 minutes for the bath. Then so that's how you got the answer. In this one you will got the question like if you go for the bath at 10 o'clock and you complete your bath at 10:20 am, means 10:00 am and 10:20 am, then how much time you will need for bathing. So इसमें इस तरह के questions दिए होंगे. That's it, वही एक changes है और कुछ changes नहीं है इसमें, ठीक है? Okay, now let's start this exercise 12.6. Okay, so first question number is also given that type of question only. Calculate the time duration. One more major changes maybe in this one is that then कि if you have given, आपको एक चीज़ याद रखनी है, अगर आपको टाइम्स दिया है so वो टाइम एक ही क्लॉक में होना चाहिए. That means either both time should be in the AM or both in the PM. अगर आपको वो नहीं दिया है, दैट मीन्स अगर आपको एक टाइम AM में दिया है और दूसरा टाइम PM में दिया है, सो तब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, तब आपको उसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा इन द आवर्स, बोथ ऑफ देम, राइट. So that may be one new thing is there in this one. That's it. Okay, so first question is given. We have to find the time duration from 9:15 a.m. to 1:40 p.m. So as I said, then we have to in this one only we have given the two timelines as a.m. and p.m. right. So we have to convert both of them into the hours first, right? Okay, now let's do that thing first. Because when you have to subtract, जब आपको duration find करनी पड़ेगी, तो that means you will always you have to subtraction you have to do, right? So तो आपको जो 2 के बाद जो टाइम दिया होगा उसमें से आपको पहले वाला टाइमिंग ये आप subtract करोगे ना, understood? मीन्स फर्स्ट वाला टाइम में से सेकंड वाला टाइम आप सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करोगे. अगर 10 बजे मैंने खाना खाने बैठा हूँ और 10:30 बजे तक मैंने खाना खा लिया, तो मीन्स कितना टाइम लगा, तो वो मैं 10:30 में से 10 को माइनस करूँगा, राइट. सो दैट मीन्स उसके बाद वाला जो टाइम होगा वो उसमें से ही आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. बट इफ यू डू दिस सब्ट्रैक्शन देन इट विल बी नॉट राइट. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस वन इज गिवन इन एम, दिस वन इज गिवन इन पीएम. देन so we have to convert both of them into the hours. So as I said, अगर AM है मीन्स PM नून के पहले का जो टाइम होता है उसमें 12 आवर का और 24 आवर क्लॉक का दोनों का टाइम सेम होता है. सो दिस इज एज इट इज, राइट. दैट मीन्स 9:15 आवर टू this. In this one we have to add 12. So 12 plus 1 13 40 hours, right. So that's how you can do conversion. So first we have to do conversion, then after we have to do the subtraction. Okay, now let's do the subtraction. 1340 hours minus 9:15 hours. 0 minus 5 cannot be done. 3 10 10 minus 5. Answer is 5. 3 minus 1 2. 3 minus 9 cannot be done. 0. 3 plus 10 13. 13 minus 9 got 4. So answer is 4 hour and 25 hours. So it is directly 4 hours and 25 minutes. Right? Understood? So that's how you have to find the answer in this questions. Then okay, now let's do one more type of question in this one also. See, second one में दोनों सेम दिया है, PM. So उसमें डायरेक्टली हो जाएगा. Let's do the question number C. So in the question number C, the question is given like from 3:35 a.m. to 12 noon in a day. है? See, actually अगर आप इसमें देखो तो then in this one also both given in the same timeline only, but when we convert it then we will know about that. So 3:35 a.m. to 12:00 noon. So at the noon we have to write this kind of AM or PM, right? Okay, so let's convert them first in the 24-hour clock. There is no need to conversion. You will see why, but because as I said कि अगर यहाँ पर अलग अलग दिए दोनों तो हमें कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. So 3:35 AM means hours, then because as I said noon के पहले जितना होगा उसको हमें सेम ही रखना है. To this one 12 noon, as I said noon के पहले, that means 12 noon ही होगा. So डायरेक्टली इसमें कुछ ऐड करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, because 12 noon के बाद अगर हम कुछ नंबर हमें दिया है, कोई दिया है नंबर, सो उसमें हमें ऐड करना रहता है. So this will be as it is as a 12 hours. Understood? Okay, now let's add them. Sorry, we have to subtract. We have to find the duration. So let's do the subtraction between them. 1200 minus 335. Okay, in this one I am doing this subtraction from the first method, not from the second method. That means मैं यहाँ पर वो 60 मिनट वाला फॉर्मूला ऐड नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, डायरेक्टली मैं सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहा हूँ. And because maybe you will learn that how you can do this. Okay, 0 minus 5 cannot be done. You have to take the borrow from the previous number. Over here there is also 0, तो इसमें से borrow हम ले नहीं सकते, तो उससे पहले वाले नंबर में हमें लेना पड़ेगा. So over here this is the hour, this is the minute. And so hour we cutted as a 12, तो वो 2 का 1 हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर वो 6 आ जाएगा. Why 6? Because as I said ये 1 hour minus हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पर 60 मिनट ऐड हो जाएगा, right? So ये टेंस की प्लेस पे ही है, तो यहाँ पर हमें 60 नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा, डायरेक्टली 6 लिखेंगे तो भी चलता है. अभी यहाँ पे 6 आ गया. Now we have want over here borrow, तो इसमें वापस हमें कट करना पड़ेगा. So this is cutted as a 5, and over here after that we got as a 10. Understood? So this is 5 tens and 1 10, so it is total 6 tens. Then that means 60 minutes, and that means 1 hour, right? Okay, so this much borrowing technique you have to remember in this kind of method. Then so 10 minus 5 5 5, अभी यहाँ पे 5 बचा, 6 नहीं. 5 minus 3 2, 1 minus 3 again not possible, so you have to cut it this one. 10 plus 1 11, so 11 plus 11 minus 3 is equals to 8. So the answer is 8 hour and 25 minutes. Then okay, so that's how you have to do the first question. Then 2 I have done, remaining 2 you have to do it by yourself. Okay, now let's do the question number second one. There are given the word problems. A concert started at 12:20 a.m. It's ended at 12 noon. So this is as like the conversion question only. So, sorry, not conversion, means time duration question only, or the first one. Then also I am writing this one. Don't worry about that. Okay. See, in this one, in the word problems mainly, we have to draw the timeline, right? We have to draw the timeline. That is the main difference between the regular question and the word problems. We have to draw the timeline in this one. See, as I am drawing over here right now. Question number second. So we have given the concert started timing. So let's start from here. That this is the 10 o'clock. This is the 11 or 12 a.m. लिखा है ना, so 12 a.m. This is 11 a.m. Wait a minute. We have to draw big timeline. a.m. 10:20 a.m. That is somewhere between this one. 11 a.m. Then after over here it's a 12 a.m. Then after 1 2 3 4 up to 9, like that. And let's say over here, this is the 12 a.m. It's not a 12 noon. And let's say somewhere over here, you will got 12 noon, right? See, these are the 1 2 3 4 up to 12, right? So somewhere over there you will got 12 noon. So you have to find the difference between this and this, not this one particularly. Why? Because in this one there is a given particular time as a 10:20 a.m. So between this time and 12 noon, that is, as I said, that is again 12 noon is a hour time, so it's a 12 p.m. right? Okay, so this how this time you have to find it, right? Okay, so I'm trying to tell you that how you can find this kind of time. Okay, so first you have to write this method only. This is the started, right? And this is ended 12 p.m. right? Okay. See, you can verify this answer at last. First I am doing with the method wise that we have done. Okay, so we have to subtract, obviously we have to do the subtraction in this one only, right? See how we can do that subtraction. Maybe we have to do the addition also. And why we have to do the addition and why we have to do the subtraction, that is the main reason that we have to do this one. Okay, so let's do by first this one. See, this is 40 minutes, right? 12:20 to 11 a.m. So वो हो जाएगी 40 minutes, right? Then after 1 hour. Okay, then after every after there is a 1 hour only, right? So I am just counting that time only. Pay attention here properly. So 1, 2. You can do this with one, another 2. Sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. Okay, see, this is like somewhat answer you can find. Likewise, that 3 you got the 13 hour and 40 minutes, right? See, you got this answer from directly this one, that 13 hours and 40 minutes. This is the duration that you got, right? Because here 1 2 3, these are the 13 hours and this is added as a 40 minutes. So ये इतना difference होता है. Okay, one more method is there also that you can do it. That timing between you can do like that 10:20 a.m. to 12 a.m. So वो timing कितना हो गया? This you can write in the likewise that hour and minute. So this timing is 1 hour and 40 minutes. Right? Now 12 hour to 12 noon. 12 a.m. to 12 noon. वो time कितना होता है? It's a one round clock. That means 12 hour. So 12 a.m. to 12 noon. So that timing is 12 hour obviously. So 12 hour and 00. So this one we have to, इसमें हमें add करना है directly, right? 0, 4 1 plus 2 3 and 30. So 13 hours and 40 minutes. So like that also you will got the same answer only. Yeah? And at last you can write like that the concert will last the concert did last 13 hours and 40 minutes. right? So that's how you got this kind of answers also. Done? Okay. See, as I said, there are two methods. One is for the verification. So this one, so ये directly मैंने आंसर लिखा ये वाला from just accounting. So this is you have to use for the verification. Understood? Okay. Okay. So that's it for today from my side. That one more question is there. Third one that you have to do it by yourself. Okay. And today in the homework you have to do you have to complete exercise 12.5 and 12.6 as well. Done? Okay. Bye bye everyone.